welcome back to 2K's World of Chelsea. Today I think this is to do with animals, guys.
Yeah, look forward and get me slided.
Yeah, like that. Suitcase. You heard that, guys, what Archie just said? Yeah, so we've got 2K abandoned places, we've got Miss Spanner and a backsin with Archie, you know.
What might be a bench? What might be easy and then might be bringing the house and that.
Beep beep.
Oh, no, brother, oh. Harry, look at this smell, man. Feels like you're up
Oh, climbing.
I find like that anymore.
She's a pro, man.
PII, got watch out for? Oh, I like that.
Oh god, you can smell it, guys. You can smell the animals.
Really? What? I mean, technically that is what it is. It's not human bodies. Don't worry. Disappearing.
Bloody hell, guys, it actually stink of animals, you know. And I don't mean just has animals, I mean they actually use every single part of animals. Oh gosh. Ugh.
It smells like more than wet dog more than anything. It smells like wet dog, you don't smell like... That's a wet dog smell, that's not. It smells gone for me now.
Fucking hell, man.
Do you know it smells like wet dog more than anything? I know what you mean, I know exactly what you mean. What's that in there? That's not what it is.
That's part of it, I think. There's probably some drum in here that's full of like, I mean, look at all the stuff on the floor.
It's not too much step in it because the next car.
Look, look, it's all goopy down there.
Oh yeah.
There's probably blood in that as well.
Mhm.
I'll try not to step in with that stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah, because the black is probably the blood.
Okay.
It's mixed car in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll stay away from that, guys.
It smells like wet dog. Yeah, honestly, it smells like wet dog.
You know, it smells like really gone off dog. Like, you know, I went once exploring My friends and I all trotted something so bad. One of my friends actually vomited. Like he genuinely, like fully threw everything up the road. And then my car was stunk out for about 2 months. We couldn't work out whose shoes it was on, where we dragged it in. It was so bad.
Oh, shoot, man.
Ladder climbing, Bob. Get me up?
Oh, bloody hell.
What?
That's like that cave one, isn't it?
Not happy. Ladder climb, David.
David, what are you?
Vibrator there, Chelsea.
Ladder?
Vibrator.
What I got in
Yeah. It's a vibrator. She was looking at that big vibrator.
Oh.
No.
Make you cream?
Yeah, well,
Let's have a film.
But it's hopefully same noise.
Hold on, David, go up again.
very moist.
So he moans about moist, but what's wrong with cream?
Okay. You've just lowered the tone of my video content.
Yeah, but you said what?
Just be careful.
Alright, see if there's anyone going up. That's not fun.
Okay.
I might find action camera on me.
It's 21. I know, I should have bought that.
I got that.
Alright guys, so we leave them to it. Because I obviously like to do my own stuff when I'm exploring. I like to separate. Right, I heard just what Mick said about the vibrator thing, how it works. But yeah. Those out there, guys. You see the light? That's them. Oh, God, he is brave. He is brave. I give him that. He's a brave one. Ugh. The pipes going along now, guys, all the way down. But yeah, as for the people who is loving my videos and showing me support, thank you. I do appreciate it. I just don't give a damn what people think is my videos. If it was for, I swear, YouTube now had a problem with it before. Yeah, so thank you guys for subscribing and showing love and stuff. You hear that noise, guys? It's the train. Yeah, I'll show you the pipes or the slides that I was saying to you a minute ago. Yeah, so as Archie was saying that they also use pig remains, well, animals remains in here and stuff. It is quite a smell, to be honest with you, but it does smell like whacked dog. Oh, look at this. Got control rooms, got the socket outside. Oh. Open the sesame. Oh god, that is a bigger machine ever. What the hell? Yeah, every single person channel will be down below, guys. So we're going to show some points. Hello. Ooh. 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 That's deep. That's very deep. It's going in the machine. If I wasn't interested how I got into urban, just say in the comments, like, how did I get into urban? I will say in my next video or something. Big ass tanks, guys. I think I've been this way. Yes, I have. Nice look. What are you doing? office room, guys. Nowhere to look at the office room. So I can't find any more, as Archie just told you, so. Always good. Okay. Ooh. Someone's coming out. Oh, there. The tanks.
Oh, it'll be out there. Oh, yeah. Open that door, chaps. Oh, yeah, it's alright. This is just a drive-in.
Yeah.
This is like for a tipper, right? So you come back and go there.
Yeah, there you go, guys. You can see better.
How solid it is, isn't it? You would have done it for a day, right? Yeah. Wow. But where's the entrance at the bottom of it, though? I don't even know the point. I thought it was no longer that's solid. That's filled with concrete, isn't it? I thought everything like a hole in the bottom of the water.
We think this is a slush machine, guys. That's me. Animal feces slush, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, I think this is the rest of the explore, really. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye. Guys, I'm in the dome. D. I. Fee. Fab. Fo. Fum. I smell English.